BMX star.
Don't put that on there.
Ex-BMX star. Ex-BMX champion from back in the 80s. He was on the 87 Do Tour. Oh my goodness. He takes gonads of steel. Gonads of steel. It's like no guts, no glory, you know.
That's an ankle killer, I'm done.
Come on, William, let's see you do it. Go around, give you a little bit of speed. Not too much now, remember.
Don't mess me up this guy.
Yeah, let William get through. Come on around, William.
I kind of crashed.
You got it, man. Look, there ain't nothing to it. I was looking at you. I don't even think I got it filmed. I was too close to you to film it. Oh.
One more time, that's our last year.
Remember, do it, but not too fast, just fast enough. Look at that. Look at that. Give me some of that.
Russian ACB.
You're the bribe master. That's the only way I get you to do anything is by bribing you.